Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Imagine introducing authentic Malaysian satay to one of the world's most diverse food capitals, which is Los Angeles. So today, we will present a strategic blueprint showing how Sate Kajang Haji Samuri can successfully expand into the US market while preserving its halal values and authentic Malaysian identity. Before we discuss the expansion strategy, let's first get to know the company itself. So Sate Kajang Haji Samuri, or SKHS, started as a family business founded by Haji Samuri in Kajang, Selangor. Over the years, it has grown into one of Malaysia's most well-known satay brands. What makes SKHS special is its commitment to preserving authentic Malaysian flavors. The restaurant offers a variety of satay options, including chicken, beef, lamb, and even rabbit satay, served with its signature peanut sauce. Besides serving delicious food, SKHS has built a strong reputation through its commitment to halal standard and quality control. This has helped the brand gain customer trust and loyalty. With this strong foundation, SKHS is in a good position to introduce Malaysian culinary heritage to international markets. So, why did we choose Los Angeles? Well, Los Angeles is known for being one of the most culturally diverse cities in the United States. People there are generally open to trying cuisines from different parts of the world. Another important factor is that the growing demand for halal food. The city has sizable Muslim and Asian communities, which creates an existing market for halal certified products. So, what's interesting is that consumers today are looking for more than just a food. They want authentic experience and unique cultural stories behind what they eat. So this makes Los Angeles an ideal location for SKHS to introduce authentic Malaysian satay while sharing Malaysians' rich culinary identity.
From a political perspective, the United States provide a stable environment for businesses. However, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri would need to comply with strict food safety regulations. Economically, Los Angeles has a strong purchasing power, which means that the consumers are willing to spend on quality dining experiences. However, operating costs such as rent and labor are also relatively high. Socially, there is an increasing awareness of halal products and a growing appreciation for multicultural cuisines. Technology also plays a huge role. Food delivery apps and social media platforms have changed the way consumer discovers and purchase food. And lastly, environmental and legal consideration, such as sustainable practices and halal certification requirement, should not be overlooked. Okay, now let's talk about who Sate Kajang Haji Samuri would target. So, the first group is the halal seeker. These consumers prioritize halal certified food and value trust and authenticity. And then, the second group is the urban foodie. They love exploring new cuisines and often share their dining experiences on social media, such as TikTok and Instagram. And lastly, the third group is the international visitor, including tourists and expatriates who are interested in trying authentic cultural foods. So, by understanding these three different customers group, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri can develop more effective marketing strategies and meet diverse consumers' needs.
Next, let's see how Sate Kajang Haji Samuri stand out from its competitors. Although there are many Asian restaurants in Los Angeles, very few focus specifically on authentic Malaysian satay while maintaining a strong halal identity. This gives Sate Kajang Haji Samuri a unique position in the market. In addition, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri already has an established reputation in Malaysia, which strengthens its credibility when expanding internationally. Rather than competing directly with every Asian restaurant, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri can position itself as a specialist in authentic Malaysian satay. To evaluate Sate Kajang Haji Samuri readiness for expansion, we conducted a SWOT analysis. The company's strengths include its strong brand reputation, authentic recipe, and expertise in halal food management. However, entering a new market also presents challenges such as limited international experience and difference in consumer preference. On the bright side, there is growing demand for halal product and increasing interest in Asian cuisine worldwide. Of course, competition and regulatory requirements remain potential threats. Overall, the opportunity appeared to outweigh the challenge, making international expansion a promising strategy for Sate Kajang Haji Samuri.
After considering different entry strategies, our group believes that a joint venture is the most suitable option. In simple terms, a joint venture means partnering with a local business in the United States. This local partner can provide valuable insight into consumer behavior, regulation, and market operation. Meanwhile, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri contribute its strong brand identity, authentic recipe, and expertise in halal food management. By sharing resources and responsibilities, both parties can reduce risk and increase their chance of success. Besides having a joint venture partner, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri should also build strategic alliances. For example, working with halal certified supplier ensure that product quality and halal integrity are maintained. Collaborating with food delivery platforms such as Uber Eats or DoorDash can improve accessibility and convenience for customers. Partnership with local businesses can also help strengthen operation and increase brand visibility. This collaboration creates a strong support system that contributes to long-term business growth.
One of Sate Kajang Haji Samuri's biggest strengths is commitment to halal integrity. This commitment begins with sourcing ingredients for trusted halal certificate supplier. Throughout the presentation process, strict halal producers must be followed to ensure food quality and authenticity. Proper packaging and distribution methods are equally important to prevent contamination and maintain customer trust. By prioritizing halal integrity at every stage of the supply chain, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri can strengthen its reputation and differentiate itself from competitors. Next slide is digital marketing table. In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is essential. Sate Kajang Haji Samuri can use platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to showcase product and tell the story behind Malaysian satay. Collaborating with food influencers and halal lifestyle content creators can also help increase brand awareness. Another effective strategy is encouraging customers to share their dining experience online, creating alternative word of mouth promotion. Through this digital marketing effort, Sate Kajang Haji Samuri can build meaningful connection with consumers and attract new customers.
While international expansion offers many opportunities, it also comes with risks. One challenge is adapting to cultural differences and changing consumer preferences. Conducting market research can help SKHS better understand local expectations. Regulatory requirements can also be complex, so working closely with local experts is important. Supply chain disruptions are another concern. Having multiple suppliers and contingency plans can help minimize this risk. By preparing for these challenges in advance, SKHS can improve its ability to operate successfully in the US market. To conclude, Los Angeles presents an existing opportunity for Sate Kajang Haji Samuri to expand internationally. With its strong brand reputation, its authentic Malaysian flavors, committed to halal excellence, and carefully planned market entry strategy, SKHS has great potential to succeed in the United States. More importantly, this expansion goes beyond business growth. It is also an opportunity to introduce Malaysian culinary heritage to a global audience. We hope our proposed strategy
Demonstrate how
Sate Kajang Haji Samuri
Can successfully establish.
Its presence in Los Angeles.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.